In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your speaker volume on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer if you want to increase or decrease it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile. And then over on the left side, select sound. On the right side, where it says choose your output device, click the drop down, select the one you want to make the modification for, and then you can adjust the master volume here to the left or right, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.